everyone, welcome back to my video. So in today's video, we'll continue our shadowing practice, and this is section 3 part 1. Without further ado, let's go.
Section 3.
Section 3.
First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 25.
First, you have some time to look at questions 21 to 25.
Now listen carefully and answer questions 21 to 25.
Now listen carefully and answer the questions 21 to 25.
Come in, Russ.
Come in, Russ.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now, you wanted to consult me about
Now, you wanted to consult me about
your class presentation on
your class presentation on
nanotechnology.
nanotechnology.
You're due to give it next week,
You're due to give it next week,
aren't you?
aren't you?
That's right.
That's right.
And I'm really struggling.
And I'm really struggling.
I chose the topic because
I chose the topic because
I didn't know much about it and
I didn't know much about it
wanted to learn more.
and wanted to learn more.
But now I've read so much
But
about
now I've read so much about
it. In a
about
way,
it.
there's too much to
in a
say.
way that's too much to say.
I could talk for much longer
I
than
can talk for much longer,
the 20 minutes
like 20 minutes
I've been allocated.
have been allocated.
Should I assume the other students
Should I assume the other students
don't know much and
don't know much and
give them a kind of general
give them a general introduction?
or should I try and make them
Or should I try and make them
share my fascination with a
share my fascination
particular aspect?
by a particular aspect?
You could do either,
You could do either,
but you'll need to have it clear in
but
your
you'll need to have a clear
own mind.
own mind.
Then I think I'll give an
Then I think I give
overview. Okay,
Okay.
now one way of approaching this is
Now one way of approaching this is
to work through developments
to
in
work through development
chronological order.
in chronological order.
Uh-huh. On the other hand,
On the other hand,
you could talk about the numerous ways
you
that
could talk about the nearest way
nanotechnology is
that nanotechnology has
being applied. You
being applied.
mean things like
You mean things like
thin films on camera displays to make them applied. You mean things like thin films on
thin films
camera displays to
on camera displays to make
make them water repellent,
them water repellent,
and additives to make motorcycle
and additive to make cycle
helmets stronger and
helmets stronger and
lighter.
lighter.
Exactly.
Or
another way would be to focus on its impact in one
focus on the impact is one
particular area. Say medicine or space exploration. That would make it easier to focus.
That would make it easier to focus.
Perhaps I should do that.
Perhaps I should do that.
I think that would be a good idea.
I think that would be a good idea.
Right.
Right.
How important is it to include slides in the presentation?
Slides in the presentation?
They aren't essential by
about
any means.
means.
And there's a danger of tailoring what you say to fit whatever slides you can find. While it can be good to include slides to fit whatever slides you can find, and there's a danger of tailoring what you say to fit whatever slides you can find.
Whatever slide you can find.
While it can be good to include slides, you could end up spending too long looking for suitable ones.
Looking for suitable ones.
You might find it better to leave them out.
If you leave them out.
I see. Another thing I was wondering about was how to start. I know presentations often begin with first I'm going to talk about this, and then I'll talk about that. But I thought about asking the audience what they know about nanotechnology. That would be fine. If you had an hour or two for the presentation. But you might find that you can't do anything with the answers you get. It simply eats into the short time find that you can't do anything with the answers you get. And it simply eats into the short time that's available. So maybe I should mention a particular way that nanotechnology is used to focus people's attention. That sounds sensible. What do you think I should do next? I really have to plan the presentation today and tomorrow. Well, initially, I think you should ignore the notes you've made. Take a small piece of paper and write a single short sentence that ties together the whole presentation.
All this presentation.
It can be something as simple as nanotechnology is already improving our lives. Then start planning the content around that. You can always modify that sentence later if you need to.
Okay, that was the end of section 3 part 1, and we'll
Before
continue.
you hear the rest of
Okay, that was the end of section 3 part 1, and we'll continue our section 3 part 2 in the next video. See you later on. Goodbye.